Hello everybody and welcome to another video on Valentine's Photo Paradise. Today I'm going to show you how to use an Olympus Mju Zoom. In America, I think these cameras are known as the Olympus Stylus Epics, so if you have a Stylus Epic, this should be pretty much the same. The first thing we will have to do is we will have to put in a battery. As of my knowledge, the battery compartment is right here, so all we have to do is get in right down here, just like pop it open. It takes these CR123A batteries, so you just put it in like that, close it, and it already makes beautiful sounds and starts. The second thing we want to be doing is putting in a roll of film. So for that, I'm actually going to be closing the camera again, which takes some time but is always fun to do, and open the back by sliding this little lever on the side. Just opening it up. I have a test roll of film right here, so all I'm gonna do is just put a little bit in here. What is important on the Olympus Mjus and Stylus Epics is that you don't put too much film, like this much for example. It would be too much, then there's gonna be an error, so don't do it. Just put a little bit of film in here. The film tip just goes right in here. I already cut this film, so that's why it looks kind of weird, but yeah. Close it, and it should already start to make some nice noises like that, winding the film. And now, as you can see on the display, there's a little one popping off, and it says the battery has enough. It has enough battery to operate, so that's really nice. This camera is very easy to use. This is the viewfinder. Here you have a little film window showing you what's going on, what kind of film you have. On top, you only have two options with this one pretty much. The one is going to be your flash menu, meaning you can press here and you have a red eye reduction. You have a flash off, flash on. This is some sort of like a long exposure. And then the last one is going to be long exposure and red eye reduction. And that's it. And on here you have a self timer or remote timer. This is your shutter button. So as you press it, you activate the shutter. And this little knob right here is going to be your zoom options. That's pretty much it. The viewfinder changes as you zoom in and out, which is really nice. I'm gonna show you in a second. And up here you have your frame counter. So as you take a picture, it advances the film and tells you what frame you are on. This here is for people who use glasses. You can change the viewfinder, so to say, so that you don't have to be wearing your glasses. The way you close it, or you turn it off, you turn the camera off by just doing this right here, and it automatically turns the camera off and you can close it. If you want to take out your film before you finish it, for whatever reason, because you want to be shooting something different or you want to continue your film somewhere else in another camera, all you have to do is turn your camera around, take a sharp or pointy object, and just press this little button right here. This is going to automatically advance the film back into the cartridge mid-roll. This is something that I find very useful from time to time. There you go. Now it says empty. So you close it. Once more, you just open the back and take out your film. I hope you enjoyed this little overview of the Olympus Mju. I'm going to keep reviewing a lot of different cameras, so subscribe to the channel, stay tuned for more, and enjoy shooting. Have fun. I hope I was helpful, And yeah, it's a wonderful camera. I highly recommend it. I'm gonna be doing a full review on it sometime in the future, but for now I just wanted to show you the basics. So thanks for tuning in. Take care, everybody. Have a great day.